Tree level living. While the Jeremiah 29 antidote requires trees. Peace, family. This is Augustus. And today I'm teaching something foundational to Real Hoodoo and the Jeremiah 29 antidote. We're talking about tree level living versus herb level living, and why any garden built using the Jeremiah 29 antidote must include trees. This is Genesis 2, Genesis 3:18, Jeremiah 29, and Revelation 22 all tied together. The original pattern, tree level living. Genesis 2. In Genesis 2, God places Adam and Eve inside a garden that God himself planted. And the scripture says God caused every tree that is pleasant to the sight and good for food to grow. That means the original economy was tree level, not herb level, not survival level, tree level. Trees represent long-term provision, stability, covenant, wisdom, generational increase. Trees take years to grow. Trees take decades to mature. Trees represent God's economy, not man's economy. This is the Eden pattern. This is the tree level pattern. The downgrade, herb level living. Genesis 3:18. But after the fall, something major happens. Genesis 3:18 says man will now eat the herb of the field. That is a downgrade. That is a fall in economy. That is a shift from tree level to herb level. Herbs represent fast growth, fast death, constant replanting, survival, maintenance, instability. Herb level living is post-fall living. Herb level living is curse living. Herb level living is survival mode. So the fall didn't just remove man from the garden. It removed man from tree level provision. The antidote, tree level restored. Jeremiah 29. Then God gives the antidote in Jeremiah 29. He says, build houses, plant gardens, eat the fruit, multiply, and seek peace. This is the Eden pattern reintroduced in captivity. This is tree level living restored outside Eden. Jeremiah 29 is God saying, even though you fell to herb level living, I'm restoring tree level living. Plant gardens, that's tree level. Eat the fruit, that's tree level. Multiply, that's tree level. Increase, that's tree level. Jeremiah 29 reverses Genesis 3:18. Jeremiah 29 restores the Eden economy. The Real Hoodoo connection. Land, planting, trees. Real Hoodoo is land-based wisdom. Real Hoodoo is planting-based wisdom. Real Hoodoo is covenant-based wisdom. Real Hoodoo is tree-level wisdom, not herb-level survival. Herbs are medicine. Trees are economy. Herbs heal the body. Trees heal the land. Herbs are temporary. Trees are generational. So any garden built using the Jeremiah 29 antidote must include trees, because trees represent the restored economy of God. The final restoration, tree of life returns. Revelation 22. And Revelation 22 completes the pattern. The tree of life returns. It bears 12 fruits. Its leaves heal the nations, and the curse is removed. The curse of Genesis 3:18 is gone. Herb level living is gone. Tree level living is restored permanently. Eden lost, Eden restored, Eden perfected. The full chain. Genesis 2, tree level living. Genesis 3:18, herb level living. Jeremiah 29, tree level restored. Revelation 22, tree level perfected. This is the antidote. This is real hoodoo. This is God's economy. This is the tree level pattern from Eden to Revelation. Peace and blessings.